to my channel. In today's video I have a very exciting video. I am finally bringing to you guys my collective holiday haul. Now I know this is a little late, but I had so many other videos that were planned. Hold on, I gotta get some hand cream on these hands. Y'all already know, as soon as I put these lights and this camera on, the ash just seems to formulate. So I had so many other videos planned for you guys in January, so I'm so sorry that this video is going up a little later than planned, but I have so many good things that I want to share with you guys. Everything from fragrance, beauty, handbags, tableware, all the above. So if you would like to see what I acquired over the holiday season, please keep watching. I'm gonna save the best for last. So let's start with some tableware. This is a little item from Tiffany that I picked up in probably November, because you guys know when you see this, you're gonna know why I got it, but it had been sold out for a while and I started to get nervous that I wouldn't have it in time for Christmas. So I purchased it in, it was either November or December, one of those months, but I haven't even opened it yet. I wanted to save one of the items to open on camera with you guys. Let's do a thumbnail. Okay, so this is a true unboxing because I would not be able to repackage this item. I did purchase this myself, like I said. I love gifting items to myself. I would say probably 90% of the luxury in my collection was purchased myself. I know people think that other people purchase it for me, but I do all the spoiling and throwing money and making it rain for myself because I love shopping. So, Tiffany box. I know you guys already know what this is, but if you want to guess, leave it down below. Regular Tiffany packaging. So this is the first piece, and the lighting is kind of gonna throw it off, so I will insert a video or a picture. But this is the Tiffany brushstroke cup and saucer set. You guys know that I am obsessed with fine china. I get it from my mother, I get it from my Asian heritage. We live for stuff like that. So I decided a few years ago to start building up a collection of fine china, glassware, tableware, everything of the sort. If you've been to my home, china cabinet galore. We love stuff like that. So this is the Tiffany brushstroke cup and saucer. I just thought this was so elegant. There's a regular color block cup and saucer, but I thought that this was a little different. I want to say maybe this is like a 5-ounce pour, but regular Tiffany bone china. Stuff like this is really important to me. I know that some people would rather have a piece of jewelry. I started collecting Tiffany jewelry probably when I was in high school, and I'm just not into it so much. The pieces that I have, some are understated and some are very like in your face, but I really love Tiffany tableware and china and anything like that. I just think this is so special, something that I can have for decades and pass down to my future children or future generations. This is just so lovely. You guys, I'm just so happy to add this to my collection. I'm really excited for that. So now I can finally use it because it had just been sitting in the box in my kitchen waiting for this video. I mean, does anyone else like have to haul stuff before they use it? Like, some stuff you will see that I started using, but I like to haul stuff before I even use it. So in the same category, my friend got me a little Versace, a little Versace for Christmas. And this is actually something that I saw online when I was going to buy my Tiffany teacup and saucer, and I thought, ooh, you know, that's really unique. I mean, here's the thing about me. Like I said, we kind of just collect fine china and tableware and everything like that. So everything in my collection isn't necessarily my favorite color, but I like having different pieces because they mean different things, and this will always be so special to me. So this is the first time I've taken it out since she gave it to me. This is so fabulous. This is actually my first piece of Versace besides fragrance, a Versace teacup and saucer set. And you guys, this is just so beautiful. Like, I just love it. So, so nice. And this collection is called Versace La Scala de Palazzo. I mean, just sheer elegance. And this is what I was saying. Like, clearly this is not the motif that I typically go for. I'm definitely more into muted tones, but this is just so thoughtful and fabulous, and I can keep this for decades to come. Yeah, I just love this. So thank you again, friend, if you are watching. This is just so special, and I'm going to add it to my China collection. My mother and my grandmother would be so proud. Like I said, part of my Asian culture, we love to collect different teacups, just different China sets. Like, I have Tiffany baby China sets like from when I was a child. So things like this just mean so much to me. So I'm happy to have another piece added to my collection. Okay, let's get into beauty. I have 3 or 4 beauty items I want to share, and these were all included in the beauty haul. The first is something that I actually forgot to include in the beauty haul. I don't know how I did it, but this is the Rouge Dior Matte Lipstick in 897 Mysterious Matte. I wore this in a video. I will link it down below if it is live yet. And I also put a picture on Instagram, and some of you guys asked about the shade. I only have maybe one other Dior lipstick, but it's not a matte. This Dior matte lipstick is everything. I've worn this twice now and I'm obsessed, okay? Dior's matte. I also really, really like the color of this, but like I said, it's color number 897 Mysterious Matte. Perfection. I might be into Dior beauty now because this little lipstick is everything. I received this for Christmas and I was so stunned because I didn't even think that Dior had matte lipsticks. I don't know why. I mean, most likely you would think most beauty brands have different finishes of lipstick, but this Dior matte formula is amazing. So if you're in the market for a really nice high quality matte, I would highly recommend Dior. The lipstick to end all lipstick purchases. Are you ready? I will be doing a full review of this lipstick because that's how fabulous it is. This is the Hermes matte lipstick, and I got it in shade Rouge H, which I think is number 85. You guys, so this is what the lipstick looks like. I'll be doing a full review. Like I said, this is a work of art. The most beautiful Bordeaux burgundy color. Now, Hermes matte is not as matte as the Dior matte. When I first put this on, I was questioning whether or not it was even a matte because it just felt very smooth and slick, and I'll get into that in my review. But really, really like this lipstick. Like, the lipstick has a dust bag. I mean, like, who am I? I'm not sure. I thought that this is something that I would only like get one of, and then like that would be it. But honey, I want another one. And you know what? It was so funny because 2 of my friends actually purchased the same shade. So now I have one that I can use and I have a backup. So thank you, friends, because this is something that I don't think I would have picked up on my own, just because this lipstick retails for $67. And you guys know that I am someone who likes luxury, but I also like affordable things. And $67, I don't even spend that much on any makeup, like not even a palette. Like, this is skincare price. So I was just super, super grateful and happy to receive this lipstick for Christmas. And you guys, it is really nice. So stay tuned to that review. My next item is a fragrance, you guys, and you all are going to be shocked because if you've been watching my channel for the past year, you know that this is a brand that I said I would never get because I have never really liked any of his fragrances enough to pay the price. It is Tom Ford and I am shocked that I even like it. My friend bought this fragrance. I smelled it on her and I was obsessed. I call this my Kendra scent because that's her name. This is Tom Ford's Soleil Neige. I keep the packaging because this is a work of art. You know, I'm not that much into Tom Ford, but I do have to give it to the man. He knows how to package a beautiful product. Soleil Neige smells like an aquatic sun goddess. Ooh, this is bergamot. This is citrus note, and those are the only two that come to mind when I smell this, but I will put the notes across the screen. This fragrance is everything. It's aquatic. It smells like a ray of sun without smelling like a flower or the sun or beachy scents, but it's also warm and wintry. I think this is one of the most undermentioned fragrances that I hear about on YouTube or in the fragrance community. But for me to actually have received this for Christmas because my friend knows that I enjoy this, amazing. Once again, something that I would have never purchased for myself. Like, I knew I liked this scent, but I didn't know if I would love it enough to warrant a purchase. But now that I have it, darling, this is everything. If you like a citrusy, fresh, aquatic bergamot, whoo, Tom Ford's Soleil Neige. Okay, my next fragrance is from my favorite luxury house ever, Louis Vuitton. And this was actually gifted to me as well. I have already opened it, but you guys can see what the presentation is like. Louis Vuitton knows how to package an item. So in here I have my fragrance, and it also came with 2 samples, and the 2 samples that I got are Aphogee, and I also got the scent that I received for Christmas, and this is Louis Vuitton Attrape Reves. Attrape Reves. I actually asked Google how to pronounce this, and I'm gonna do it again because I was just talking to my sis Lorraine, and we were saying how sometimes you just have to try things out, and I don't like to mispronounce things. I feel like I lose credibility when I'm trying to inform you guys or educate you or tell you about a product and I don't know how to pronounce it. So let's look up Attrape. I believe it's Attrape Reves. Okay, how to pronounce this in French? Attrape Reves. Okay, so we're gonna call this Attrape Reves. Okay, you know, it's so weird. I was given a budget for Christmas, and this was one of the things that I wanted because, once again, I love Louis Vuitton. I haven't really tried a lot of their fragrances, and this is the kind of thing that I would buy for myself, but it has to be a time when I'm just making it rain because, so anyway, I asked for this for Christmas. I was looking up different fragrances and I saw a few reviews on Attrape Reves, and it sounded like a very safe blind buy scent, but I wasn't too sure because I wanted to get it engraved. So I purchased a sample off of eBay. This all happened during Vlogmas. If you saw Vlogmas, you would know. I oftentimes do that when I don't want to go in store and touch a lot of things, especially now. But this is really nice. This smells like chocolate and rose. You guys know I am a huge fan of rose, but this was a different rose because it has notes of chocolate. I wouldn't necessarily call it a gourmand because it's still very fresh and floral, but this is Attrape Reves. And once again, Louis Vuitton, you did your thing with the packaging. I might have to get a fragrance holder. Do I want to spend that much? Probably not, but maybe for my birthday. So this is the presentation. This is how the bottle comes. Let's just throw this over here. KB for Keikobeauty. So that's a free service that Louis Vuitton offers, which I think makes this scent even more special because I always have it to look back on. And I don't think KB is in the middle. All right, but it has my channel name on it, and I just think that's so special. Another thing that I really like about the Louis Vuitton fragrances is that they are refillable. So I want to say this costs around $250, but for $150 you can refill it, which is great because it is sustainable. And also that Hermes lipstick is also refillable, so that's sustainable as well, and it is made from all recycled products, which is amazing. I'm not too much like a stickler for that, but I do like to do my part, so I like to mention it when fragrances and beauty products are sustainable. So yeah, really like this Louis Vuitton fragrance. If you guys would like a review, I can definitely do that. My next item I want to share with you guys was kind of like my big gift this year, and let me tell you a little story behind it. I always have a story when I'm sharing a bag. I had my eye on the Louis Vuitton Nice BB and the Nice Nano, and the one thing that kept me from buying them was the fact that the strap is not really meant to be used as a handbag strap, and I'll insert a picture of what those two bags look like. Pretty much they are held in by like a piece of leather, and they don't have hardware on the strap. So I thought with continued use, because when I wear a bag, honey, I will wear it for a whole year. I didn't want it to wear, and I didn't want the strap to get stretched out. So I started looking at this bag, and when I saw it had reverse monogram, I was obsessed. Now, if you are a Louis Vuitton aficionado, you already know what this is. I received the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM, and this is what it looks like. You guys, I've been wearing this bag ever since Christmas. That's why I don't have it in packaging. Honey, I am obsessed, okay? So it features two zippers on the front. Really nice smooth zipper. You open it up, it's like a suede material. Inside I have a receipt, I have hand sanitizer, I have a nail file and some lip balm, but I am currently using this bag right now. The one thing I will mention is that this long chain is not too long. I will put the dimensions across the screen. I can't comfortably wear it crossbody, but when I do go out to the grocery store and run my errands, I wear it crossbody and it just sits up here. It's not how it's supposed to look, but when you're in a pinch, sometimes you have to do what you have to do. So this is what I was talking about with the other bag. You see how this is meant to be carried as a bag because it is a handbag. So there's metal hardware, which just makes it a little more durable to be carried like this over a long period of time with more things in here. So it has the reverse monogram on top and the reverse monogram on the bottom. I love this bag. I am so happy to have it in my collection. Like I said, I was really vacillating between this and the Louis Vuitton Nice Nano, I believe, or the mini something, the size below the BB but not the tiny one. And I decided to go with this because it already has a chain and it can be detached, and it has, this bag is more suited for use as a handbag, whereas the Louis Vuitton Nice collection, those are like luggage accessories. Now I probably still will get the Nice BB because you guys know I love my Louis Vuitton travel collection, and that will be a great addition. But I've been wearing this since Christmas, you guys. Definitely love this bag. It is just so functional. It's so small. You guys know I love carrying small bags right now because I can keep them close to me and there's less of a chance that they will get dirty. So I've really been enjoying the Vanity PM. It is my first reverse monogram piece, and I like how it's just on the top and the bottom, so it's not too much in your face, but it makes this bag a little different than all the other in my collection. Okay, I have one more bag. It is Chanel, but I think this video is actually getting a little too long, so I'll give you guys a sneak peek. I did recently pick this up from the file of the fashion, so if you want to know what Chanel bag that I recently acquired, I'll link it down below, but it's not up right now. It will be up soon, so stay tuned to that. I just don't want this video to be too long, but it's a good one. It's worth the wait. I hope, oh wait, that's a lie. I have one more item, the earrings that I'm wearing. Now, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but I will insert a picture of me close up. I'll put the name across the screen, but they're pretty much a mother of pearl pair of earrings. One is more like a square and the other is more of a circle. I really like these because they're unique. I haven't seen anyone else online talk about them, but I am really into different pieces that are a little more interesting, and when I saw these online, I had to add them to my Christmas wish list because they were just different, and I love pearl. Pearl is my birthstone. I am a girl who wears pearls. I'm not an AKA honey, but I love my pearls. So I received those as well, and I am loving them. So that's everything from the haul, I think. Yeah, stay tuned for a Chanel unboxing. Yeah, I love you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that it took so long to get this out, but better late than never, right? Leave any comments or questions you guys have below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.